Number 12. The diagram shows a section through a leaf. Which row correctly identifies tissues X and Y? So X is showing spongy mesophyll cell. So the answer is either C or D. Y is called upper epidermis. So cuticle is the cover, is the coating. Okay? And this part is palisade mesophyll cells, or palisade mesophyll layer. And this looks like a vascular bundle. So vascular bundle containing, this is the vascular bundle. It contains xylem and phloem. Okay, and these are guard cells, and the hole that the guard cell made is stoma or stomata. Okay. So the structure of the leaf is something that you guys just should know, memorize. The easiest way to memorize it is, of course, by drawing it and labeling it. Okay.